GMC debuted Step Up Like a Pro, a new campaign featuring the world's first 6-function MultiPro gate offered on the next generation Sierra. The launch film Anthem encourages customers to step up the GMC, confirming the 2019 GMC Sierra's status as a premium model among all trucks. A GMC exclusive, the available world's first MultiPro Tailgate is the most revolutionary tailgate ever, offering 6 functions and positions for enhanced second-tier loading, load stop solutions, and easier access to items in the cargo box, including primary gate load stop, easy access, full width step, inner gate load stop, inner gate with work surface.
Introducing the world's first 6-function MultiPro Tailgate, available only on the next generation GMC Sierra.